Grandfather is walking with a stick. Grandfather is walking with a stick. He comforts his daughter gently. He comforts his daughter gently. She is giving vaccination to a baby. She is giving vaccination to a baby. They are exercising together in the park. They are exercising together in the park. She raises her hand while using computer. She raises her hand while using computer. Senior woman is balancing on one leg. Senior woman is balancing on one leg. They are learning and studying together. They are learning and studying together. Students are using tablets and laptops. Students are using tablets and laptops. The nurse assists an old man with walker. The nurse assists an old man with walker. He is holding his grandfather's hand. He is holding his grandfather's hand. She hugs her doll with love. She hugs her doll with love. They are sitting on beanbag chairs. They are sitting on beanbag chairs. She is feeling very angry. She is feeling very angry. They promote health by exercising daily. Please do not cry now. Please do not cry now. She is feeling a little shy. She is feeling a little shy. The teacher is guiding the students. The teacher is guiding the students. They are practicing exercises in the gym. They are practicing exercises in the gym. She is helping her grandmother walk. She is helping her grandmother walk. He is carrying books to class. He is carrying books to class. They are working on their project. They are working on their project. She is listening carefully to the teacher. She is listening carefully to the teacher. He is helping the old man. He is helping the old man. They are sharing ideas in class. They are sharing ideas in class. She is smiling at her little sister. She is smiling at her little sister. He is helping his father at home. He is helping his father at home.